Hi everyone, myself Uday Kiran is pursuing BBA first year at GFGC College KGF. Today's my topic is organizational behavior. What is organizational behavior? Organizational behavior is the study of human behavior in organizational setting. And firstly we are going to interface of organizational behavior. Although these three areas, we must also remember that all three areas are ultimately necessary for a comprehensive understanding of organizational behavior. And secondly, we are going to organizational behavior model. The human behavior in organizational setting, the individual organization initiative, the organization. And human behavior, each individual brings to an organization a unique set of personal characteristics and unique personal background and sets of experience from the organizations. But individuals do not work in isolation. They come in contact with other people and with the organization in a variety of ways. An organization, of course, exists before a particular person joins it and continues to exist after he or she leaves. The organization itself represents a crucial third perspective from which to view organizational successes. Understanding how people behave in organizations and why they do what they do is critical to working effectively with and managing others. Importance of OB. OB is nothing but organizational behavior. OB is an important topic for any who works or who will eventually work in an organization, which is the case for most people. And finally we are going to benefits of organizational behavior. Let's imagine the difference between a company with motivated, engaged employee with clear goals aligned with the business strategy and one with unhappy employees, a lot of conflict, weak leadership and a lack of directions. A mounting body of evidence shows that emphasis on the softer side of business positively influences bottom line result.